I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from Payoneer to your bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by accessing your Payoneer account through their website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, find the withdraw or withdraw to bank option in the main menu. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 3. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll need to do that first. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any fees that may apply, as they can vary based on the amount and currency. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review all the details and confirm the transfer. You should receive a notification once the transaction is processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Remember, it can take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account, so don't panic if it doesn't show up immediately. Happy transferring!